Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Google Keep Notes. First, Google Keep does not have a built-in lock, password, fingerprint, or PIN for individual notes. But don't worry, here are some simple workarounds. Option 1, use an app locker for your PC. Install software like My Lockbox or Folder Lock to protect access to Google Keep on your browser or desktop. Option 2, use a password manager. Store sensitive information in a secure tool like LastPass or Bitwarden instead of writing it directly in Keep. Option 3, use a private Google Doc. Write your private note in Google Docs, set the share setting to only me, and paste the link inside your Keep note. Want password protection in the future? Click the gear icon in Keep, click Send Feedback, and request it. And that's it. That's how to lock Google Keep Notes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.